Hello, this is Sprouted, and I'm Alfonso. So, quick question. Do you know anyone who's had trouble with plants? Well, I could give you a persona, but I don't need to, because I've had the problems with myself. I love having plants in my space, but I'm not great at it. I forget to water them, or I water them too much. But what about fertilizer? Was I supposed to put my plant out in the sun? Or what am I supposed to be doing again? It's wilting now. Well, I've actually had to throw out quite a few plants, and it's really not fun. To be frank, it sucks. But that's okay. And that's why we've created Sprouted. For myself and others like me, Sprouted gives us that little bit of help and guidance.
At Sprouted, we believe that taking care of plants should be an enjoyable, seamless experience. Our vision is to empower plant enthusiasts of all levels, from beginners to experts. We want to create a world where everyone can confidently grow healthy plants, creating greener homes and a stronger connection to nature. With Sprouted, we're not just about growing plants, we're growing joy, confidence, and a love for all things green.
Behind Sprouted is a team of passionate individuals, each bringing unique skills to make this app a reality.
Through our research, we discovered that plant owners face several consistent problems. Over 70% of surveyed users reported difficulty maintaining that regular watering schedule. 65% struggled to identify the optimal sunlight placement. We also found that nearly 60% just lacked the knowledge to revive the struggling plants. And finally, many users expressed the need for a community where they could share tips and experiences, highlighting a strong desire for support. Sprouted offers customized care reminders and tips while addressing common issues like pests and just reminding you to water your plants or performing those tasks so your plants stay happy and healthy. And with most of our users based in North America, we are focusing that support to best serve their needs.
During our research findings, we spoke to a lot of people. For example, take Louis, a 32-year-old father balancing a busy job, family, and a love for houseplants. It brings plants home with high hopes, but within weeks, they wilt and die. It turns out Louis' plant suffers not just from irregular watering, but also poor placement and a lack of basic care knowledge. Through our conversations, we saw a bigger problem. People like Louis want to care for plants, but lack the time, guidance, and community support to succeed. This is where Sprouted steps in to provide personalized care schedules, placement tips, and a network of plant enthusiasts, making it easy for anyone to keep their plants thriving.
Now let's see how Louis uses Sprouted with his new Peace Lily plants. After signing in, Louis completes a quick onboarding process and selects his notification preferences. He then adds his plants by searching for Peace Lily and selecting it from the results. Sprouted provides care instructions, pet toxicity details, and tips on common pests, all in one place. Louise adds the Peace plant to his collection where he can see his full plant lineup. By selecting the Peace plant lily, he can access specific care details like lighting, pruning, repotting, temperature, humidity, and toxicity. Finally, he'll never miss a task again. Sprouted reminds Louise of any task that he needs to complete for the day, from watering, repotting, fertilizing, and a beautiful confirmation view when he's all done, letting you know he's all set for the day.
Sprouted's growth strategy is clear. We're targeting 48 million potential users with a realistic reach of about 9.1 million. Our immediate focus is on capturing that 456,000 users as our core target. This focused approach allows us to set achievable goals and build that solid foundation for future growth.
Now, let's talk about how Sprouted stands out in the plant care market app. We stand out from competitors like Planter, Blossom, and Picture This by offering more than just plant identification or watering reminders. We provide unique features such as planting schedules, poisonous plant identification, and actionable care insights. Unlike others, Sprouted combines practical tools, community engagement, and gamification to create a complete plant care experience. Whether you're a new or seasoned plant owner, Sprouted is your go-to app for nurturing thriving plants.
Here are some of the key features. Number 1, plant identification. Easily identify different plant species. Number 2, watering schedule reminders. Stay on track with timely reminders. And number 3, community engagement. Connect with other plant enthusiasts for support and advice.
And as for marketing, we'll be using those digital ads across Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and Google, partnering with influencers. We'll share blogs, care tips, and videos to increase that user engagement. We will also be leveraging email marketing with personalized plant tips and seasonal advice. Finally, we established that key partnership with local plant retailers through affiliate marketing and in-app purchases, which will really enhance that user experience by giving them access to premium plant supplies.
Imagine you're running a lemonade stand. At first, you spend more than you make buying lemons, sugar, and cups. This is like our first year at SprouTd, where we see a small loss of about $22,000 as we invest in building something great. By year 2, we've got loyal customers and sales cover our costs. We break even. From there, it's all about growth. By year 5, our lemonade stand is thriving, with benefits reaching nearly $388,000 and a net profit of about $250,000. For every dollar spent, we're earning back nearly $3. The project becomes more not just sustainable, but highly profitable, proving it's a smart investment with a bright future.
And now we'd love for you to take the next step with us. Scan the QR code on the left on the screen to stay connected and be the first to know when SprouTd launches. Here's what you'll get: exclusive early access to explore the app before anyone else, special launch day discounts and offers to get started with SprouTd as its best value, tips and tricks from our plant experts helping you nurture your plants effortlessly, and a chance to win amazing plant-themed prizes to make your plant care journey even more exciting. So don't miss out. Join the SprouTd family today and be part of the plant care revolution. Thank you all for attending Demo Day. And now we will hand it off to our business analysis Precious and our product owner of Ring for any questions.
Damn. That was that was fire, guys. Oh my God. I didn't think I was in the demo. I thought I was watching TV. Let's give Team Sprouter a round of applause, please. Fantastic job. Clearly they practiced. Clearly they put in the work. Fantastic. Incredible. Okay. I think this time we'll start with so we'll start with Jerome first for the feedback and questions.
Yeah, first of all, the air cover between the entire group was phenomenal. Like everybody had equal parts in speaking. I could tell that you guys were each as passionate and knowledgeable about your product. Big shout out to you guys and the preparation there. So that goes a long way. My only question comes back to the comparison between your competitor apps. And I saw that Planta had most of the features that your app had, except for community engagement. Are there any other features that you guys are planning to kind of separate yourselves in the future and potentially like a V2, V3 version of your product?
Yes, so we do plan on integrating in-app purchases. So we're going to be partnering with local gardeners and retailers. So our users will be able to access shops, so they could purchase their plants, their plant supplies and kits directly through the app, and that'll make us stand out from the like our other competitors like Planter and Picture.
Awesome, well done.
All right, let's go to Andre and then we'll finish with Esther.
Yeah, I just want to echo what Jerome said earlier. Amazing presentation. Like I was sprouted. My only question is around the plant identification feature. Can you speak more to that? Like, how does it work? Is it a situation where I have to like name the plant, or I can just take a picture and it tells me what the plant is? Like, how does that work?
Yes, so thank you for that question. So we plan on using AI. So we're going to be integrating AI. So the users will have two options. They can either take a photo of the plant or scan the plant, and then the AI generates the name of the plant and also gives them like their care tips and also the sunlight recommendation.
Gotcha. Nice.
All right. And then Esther.
Amazing, very well timed. And Alfonso, that's exactly who am I. I kill most of the plants at home. My question here is, do you focus on any type of plants? Because when I looked at the presentation, it was more like outdoor. What about indoor plants? Is it still under your feature set?
Yes, we're focusing both on indoor and outdoor plants.
Okay, perfect. And I think Jerome asked my last question on gardening services, so you guys are good. I was more looking at how do you expand your business, so I think that was answered. So thank you.